In this video, I am going to discuss about resistor combination. I am going to discuss about resistor combination. There are two type of resistor combination. One is series combination and second one is parallel combination. First of all, what is a resistor? A resistor is a device which measure resistance. Resistor is a device which measure resistance. So it having two types of combination: series type combination and parallel type of combination. What is series type combination? First of all, we discuss about series combination. What is series combination? In which resistors are attached one another so that there is division of voltage and current remains same in the circuit. There are three resistors taken in the one another in the line. This is called series combination. So how we define series combination? Series combination resistor is the combination in which resistors are attached so that there is division of voltage and current remain same across each resistor. It is called series combination. So as per definition, what is divide? Voltage is divide. So across R1 there is voltage V1, across R2 there is voltage V2, and across R3 there is voltage V3. So as we know, current remains same, so I current is flowing in the circuit. So according to Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. What is V? V is potential, I is current, R is resistance. So across R1 resistor, what is voltage? V1 is equal to I R1. Across R2, V2 is equal to I R2. Across R3, V3 is equal to IR3. Why we take an I is same? Because according to definition, current remains same across each resistor. So value of I is same in everywhere. So according to first, second and third equation, we get we know that V1 total voltage is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So we put the values of V1, V2 and V3. Then put the value of V1 from I1 one equation IR1, second equation IR2, this equation IR3, and V is equal to IR. Total voltage is equal to IR according to Ohm's law. Then I take common R1, R2, R3 in bracket, there is IR. Current remains same, so value of I cancel out in both sides, then R is equal to R1, R2, R3. So total resistance in series is equal to R1, R2, R3. So if there is number of resistors are connected in series, so total resistance is sum of individual resistor. Number of resistors are connected. So for example, if we calculate there are two resistors are connected in such a way in series combination, find the total resistance. There is 2 ohm, there is 4 ohm. I is flowing in a circuit, then total resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2. We know that. So a value of R1 2, value of R2 4. So total resistance in series is equal to 6 ohm. This is the answer. So this is the result of resistor combination in series. Then next topic is, the next combination is parallel combination. Parallel combination. In parallel combination, resistors are connected in such a way that there is current is divided, voltage remain same, current remain same, current is divided and voltage remain same. That is called parallel combination. So here R1 resistor, R2 resistor and R3 resistor, and battery is B, current is flowing I. So there is division of I1 current across R1 resistor, and there is I2, there is I3, and we know that voltage is same. So voltage across each resistor is same. So according to Ohm law, same value of I. When we know that in the parallel combination, what is divide? Current is divide. So we know that Ohm's law, IV is equal to IR, then value of I is equal to V upon R. As we know that parallel combination, there is division of current, so we can write I1 is equal to V upon R1 across R1 resistor. Value of I2 across R2 is equal to V upon R2 across I3, V upon R3. So total current in the circuit is equal to I1, I2, I3. So we can put the values of V upon R1, V upon R2, V upon R3. Value of I from star equation, we get I is equal to V upon R. Here we can write V is common in each case, so taken outside R2, 1 upon R3. So V and V both side get cancelled. We get R, R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3, and there is RP. RP represent total resistance in parallel combination. So we can take here RP. So for example, there is two resistors are given. This is the 4 ohm, this is the 8 ohm. Then resultant, find the equivalent resistance. How we find? We know the formula 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2 and 1 upon R3. Then we get 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon, this is the parallel combination, so we taken here RP 1 upon 8. There is LCM is 8, so there is 2 plus 1, there is 3 upon 8. Then this is the value of RP, 1 upon RP. Then RP is taken as 8.3 ohm. This is the value of RP, 8.3. And there is another combination is also in some books, that is called mixed combination. Mixed combination is sum of, in which it is a sum of resistors of series and parallel. Its diagram is taken as, this is the result of, this is a diagram of mixed combination. Suppose there is 2 ohm, there is 2 ohm, and there is 3 ohm. How we calculate the result in the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is the sum of, it is called as, it is a combination of series and parallel combination. Is a combination of series and parallel combination is called mixed combination. So there is values of, first of all we solve here parallel result. Then 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, there is equals to 2 upon 2. Then we calculate 1 upon 1. Then RP is equal to then Rp is equal to 1 ohm, and this is the result of this circuit. So there is another resistor is attached to here. So total R total in the circuit is equal to 3 plus Rp. The 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 ohm. So 4 ohm is the result of that circuit. Hope you will understand this concept. Thank you.